Hello there mga kasama! Welcome back to my new vlog. Cause in this vlog, we're gonna talk about common photography terms all beginners need to know. I got it! I got it! I got it! In today's vlog, we're going to talk about terms or common terms that use in photography for all you beginners out there. Especially when you met a person na nagbabato sa'yo ng mga technical terms or terminology words na nagpapakati ng utak mo, ng tenga mo, at clueless ka kung ano yung mga binibitawan nilang termino, this vlog is for you. Understanding the common photography terms, definitions is a crucial first step towards improving your skills as a beginner. So let's start. Number 1, aperture. 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 A-P-E-R-U-R-E. First, aperture. This is the first photography term na dapat mong malaman. Aperture. Okay, para mas madali, ipapakita ko sa'yo what aperture is. This. Alright, this is aperture. See that? Open, close. Open, close. Mas bukas yung aperture, mas maraming ilaw ang papasok. Mas sarado, mas konti yung ilaw na papasok. Is that clear? Is that easy? Mas bukas, maraming ilaw papasok. Mas sarado, mas konti yung ilaw na papasok. Okay, mas bukas, mas maliwanag yung picture. Mas sarado, mas madilim yung picture. Mas bukas, yung depth of field ng picture. Bokeh yung likod. Did you hear the terms that I use? Okay, mas bukas. Yung nakafocus, see this? Nakikita nyo ako? Blur ako. Tawag doon, bokeh. Okay, blur ako. Ang nakafocus lang to. Nakita nyo yung depth of field? Okay, mas bukas, mas blur yung likod, mas focus tong nakafocus. Okay? Mas sarado, mas in focus lahat. Pero mas madilim. I hope you get that. I hope you get that in the future. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next. Next term, bokeh. Halimbawa nasa shoot ka tapos may nagsabi sa'yo, can you make some bokeh shot? Bokeh. At kumakati na yung tenga mo, kumakati na yung ulo mo, what's that? Bokeh means, okay? This lens has a f-stop 1.2. So, ibig sabihin nun, mas malaki yung bukas niya. Kaya na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, mas malaki yung bukas ng mga blades. Okay? Ayan, mas malaki yung bukas niya. Pag 1.2, mas malaki yung bukas. Meaning to say, mas maganda yung bokeh niya kasi mas nakafocus lang ito kesa sa lahat. Hope you get that. Hope you get that in the future. And what is the meaning of bokeh? As far as I know, bokeh is a Japanese term for blur. Okay, this is the focus. Nakita nyo nakafocus? And napapansin nyo, blur ako. And that's bokeh. Alright? That's bokeh. But in common, bokeh is like the herb. You know, pag natamaan yung ilaw, may bilog-bilog, that's bokeh. And to give you a sample picture, kumuha ko sa Google, credit by Google, and this is the bokeh sample shot. And that's the bokeh sample shots. Yun yung bokeh. Blur, may bilog-bilog, and it's wonderful. It's amazing. That is bokeh. Blur. A Japanese word for blur. Bokeh. Some says boka. Some says bokeh. But for me, it's bokeh. Bokeh. Pero mas madali na lang kung may blur. Blur. Alright, depth of field. Next is depth of field. Depth of field. Ano yon? Ano namang mga lingwahe yan, depth of field? Depth of field is a photography terms that refers to how much of the image is in focus. Alright? For example, this is the image. And this is the background. This is the image and this is the back. And the depth of field is this. Gets? This is the depth of field. Hope you get that in the future. So sabi niya dito, the camera will focus on one distance, but there's a range of distance in front and behind that point that stays sharp. Sa mga portraits naman, may mga tinatawag na unfocused background. Yun naman yung tinatawag na shallow depth of field. Hope you get that in the future. Next is exposure. Very self-explanatory. Pag sinabing underexposed, ibig sabihin madilim yung tira mo. Okay? Madilim yung picture mo. Pag sinabing overexposed, ibig sabihin nun sobrang puti, sobrang liwanag naman ng picture mo. Exposure. Exposure. Okay, next is file format. The file format is how your camera will record a file or file format. The file format is how your camera record image or image file. RAW files contains more information than JPEG, which makes them more suitable in editing your photos in any softwares. So sharp. Alright, next is focus. So what is the meaning of focus? Imagine this. Again, Sony is not my sponsor. Disclaimer. Okay, example this one. Kapag yung mata mo nakafocus dito, mangyayari niyan, blur yung mga nasa malayo. Like me. Hi, I'm blur. Okay? I am blur, so dito ka nakafocus. So pag sa akin ka naman nakafocus, ito naman yung blur. Focus ka sa akin, ito naman yung blur. Kung blur. Ewan ko kung blur. Pero kung sa akin ka nakafocus, ito ang blur. Pag dito ka nakafocus, ako naman yung blur. So that is the meaning of focus. Sometimes ang focus, double meaning. Minsan logic. Okay, pag sinabi sa'yo ng kasama mo, uy, okay yung shots mo, focus na focus, sabi sabihin, it is sharp. Pag sinabi naman ng kasama mo, uy, ang ganda ng shots mo, out of focus, sabihin, you fail. It's blur. Focus. Next is hachu, okay? Usually, what is the meaning of hachu? Hachu is this. Let me show you than telling you what it is. This is hachu. And you're going to put hachu here. Hachu is the place where you put accessories like flash. Hachu. Pero sa Sony, let me tell you this. If you remove your hachu, do not lose this tiny object. Because if you do, pwede mong masira. Pag napasukan siya ng moist, mahal ang paggawa. So better, always keep this and place it right here. That's hachu. Next. Pag may narinig kang termino na sinabi sa'yo, pwede mo bang ibaba yung ISO mo and ikaw like, ISO. Ang ISO determine kung gaano ka-sensitive ang camera mo sa ilaw. For example, sinet mo yung ISO mo to 100. ISO 100 hindi masyadong sensitive sa light. Good for shooting in daylight, outdoor. Pero pag sinet mo naman yung ISO mo to 32,000, something like that, your camera is very sensitive to light. Mas marami siyang tinatanggap na ilaw. Good for shooting indoor and low light gaming. Hope you understand that in the future. Next to the line is M mode. M mode, what is the meaning of M mode? See, right? See this M right here? See that M? You know what's the meaning of that M? Magaling mode. Kidding aside, that's manual mode. Alright, manual mode. You really have, as a photographer, if you want to level up your skills, you really have to step up and step out to your comfort zone, which is automatic mode. Everyone can be a photographer because of that automatic mode, okay? But if you want to level up, if you want your camera to submit to you, you must enter in the world of M mode. Magaling mode. Manual mode is the ability to use ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. That's manual mode. White balance, picture profile, etc., etc. And hope that you understand that you will understand that in the near future. Next to the line is noise. So what is noise? Bro, parang manoise yung shots mo kanina. Oo nga bro, ang ingay kasi nila eh. Ang ingay kasi doon, bro. Maingay. Ang ingay kasi. Noise. Diba? Okay, what is the meaning of noise? Noise is simply a little flex in the image. Minsan tinatawag din siyang grain or grainy, yung parang mga tuldok-tuldok, something like that. Okay, balikan natin si ISO. Kapag ang picture mo ay ginamitan mo ng mataas na ISO, lalabas na ang noise. Try that. Try it to believe it. So my advice is mas maganda nang gamitin mo yung pinaka-lowest ISO na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo ng camera mo to get that sharp and crispy sharp shot with less or no noise or grain. Next in line is shutter speed. Let's talk about shutter speed in real quick. Okay, shutter speed ay isang parte ng camera na nagbubukas sarado at nagpapapasok sa ilaw at nagbibigay sa'yo ng magaganda mong photo. Okay, parang ganito yan eh. For example, my camera is 1 to 8,000 shutter speed. For example, 1 shutter speed, kapag pinitig ko to, bubukas to ng matagal. Sobrang tagal. Pinapapasok ko yung ilaw, mas maraming ilaw, ang result, overexpose and blur. Okay? 8,000 shutter speed, pag pinitig ko to, ganun lang kabilis. Tak, tak, tak. Ganun lang kabilis. And less light ang papasok, madilim, and it's crispy sharp. Hope you understand that. Okay, tandaan mo na lang to. Mas mataas na shutter speed, mas crispy sharp but dark. Mas mababang shutter speed, mas maliwanag but sometimes it's blurred. Hope you understand that in the future. Next is shutter release. What is shutter release? Shutter release simply is this. This one. This is shutter release. Next is viewfinder. Viewfinder basically is this. Dito ka sumisilip. Some viewfinder are digital, some are not. This is digital. Pag sinilip mo to dito sa viewfinder, okay, viewfinder, kung ano yung nakikita mo sa screen, yun din yung makikita mo sa viewfinder. And that is viewfinder. So pag may nakikita ka nagpapapicture, tapos nakasilip sa viewfinder pero nakamulat to, that's crazy. That's crazy. And last but not the least is white balance. Pag sinabi sa'yo ng team mo, okay, ang white balance natin is this. Okay, this is white balance, auto, daylight, shade, cloudy, incandescent, auto, and Kelvin. I usually use auto because I let the camera think and adjust kung anong kulay ang kailangan para sa image na gusto ko. I use auto all the time. Using proper white balance makes white white and black black. Okay? Hindi magiging blue, hindi magiging sobrang yellow. Pero mas okay na rin if you used to use white balance or auto white balance, just do it. Huwag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo and just let the camera think what's the proper lighting is. So there you go mga kasama, that's for today. Hope you learned something. This is for you. Hope you learned something. Maybe in the future, this is just a flash. The common terms that use in our field. Hope you learned something. If you do, please subscribe, comment down below, share this video, and like the page, and comment. Let's talk. What's your opinion? To my opinion, to everyone's opinion, and thanks. Yeah. Peace. Okay, so just in case if you want to learn more about that terms that commonly used in photography and videography films, just, look at that. Search creative vlog. Right, search creative vlog and just type, creative vlog. Just visit that and learn more. Got this cheesy. Do you like cheese? Like cheese. Do you like cheese? I want? Come on, don't be shy. Get it. Yep. You want? Let me give you this one. This is for you. Don't like it? One more. Alright, I'm not gonna finish this because I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet. Because I'm on a diet because I drink S-berry. I drink S-berry fiber juice drink. I want this tummy to be gone and be abs in the near future.